Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the FIA winter front and bug screen combo on this 2020 Ram 2500. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, they give you two different options for installation. First, they do give you some metal fasteners with screws that you can drill in. That's not going to be an option with this grill guard in place. But they also give you the 3M fasteners that are adhesive installed, and that's the route that we're going to go. Now, before you do that, you do have to wipe down the surface with rubbing alcohol. I've already done that. Next, let's go ahead and go to our winter front and snap in those 3M fasteners. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove the adhesive protector from these two buttons right here. This is the top. We know this is the top because of this tag right here. We're also going to go down to the bottom and remove these three here because we've got that grill guard in the way. It's going to be a lot more difficult to try to remove those after we've got this in place. All right, let me go ahead and get it lined up and in place. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and peel off these so that we can line it up on the side and pull it up nice and straight. Be careful as you're doing this not to touch the adhesive or the surface that you've prepped. And once they make contact, give it some good pressure so that it can make good adhesion to the surface. Well, when it's not the winter months, you decide you want to go ahead and run the bug screen, just pop off that winter front and the bug screen will snap directly into those 3M fasteners that we've already installed. That concludes the installation. Guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about these products, check the link in the description below. As always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.